Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make restaurant-style poached eggs. Start with the freshest eggs you can find. This is key for a tight, neat shape. Fill a wide, shallow pot with about 3 inches of water, ensuring it's not too deep. Then, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. The vinegar helps the egg whites coagulate quickly, preventing them from spreading. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfectly poached eggs every time. Once your water is at a gentle simmer, with tiny bubbles forming, crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This step allows you to check the egg's quality and makes it easier to gently slide it into the water. Avoid dropping the egg directly from the shell, as this can break the yolk. Aim for a smooth entry to maintain its beautiful shape. For that classic runny yolk, cook your eggs for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a slightly firmer yolk, extend the cooking time by about 30 seconds. Use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each egg from the water, allowing any excess water to drain. Then, place them on a paper towel-lined plate for a few moments to absorb any remaining moisture before serving. Your perfectly poached eggs are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately on your favorite toasted bread, a bed of fresh avocado, or alongside some vibrant greens. A sprinkle of flaky sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of chopped chives or parsley will elevate their flavor. These simple additions will make your homemade poached eggs taste truly restaurant-worthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.